In a quaint little village, nestled amidst lush greenery, there lived an old lady named Anna. Anna was famous for her kind heart and her willingness to help anyone in need. Although she lived alone, Anna was never lonely. Her neighbors adored her and often visited her, seeking her wisdom or simply sharing their joys and sorrows. In return for her kindness, the villagers brought her food, firewood, and other supplies, ensuring she never went hungry. One chilly autumn morning, as the crisp air painted the leaves in hues of gold and crimson, Anna decided to venture into the nearby forest. She wanted to gather some wood to light her humble fireplace. As she wandered deeper into the woods, the serenity of rustling leaves surrounded her. Suddenly, she stumbled upon something unusual, a large, old pot partially buried in the ground. Curious, Anna brushed off the dirt and pried open the lid. To her astonishment, the pot was filled with glittering gold coins. Her heart leapt with joy. She began dreaming of a new life filled with comfort and luxury. She envisioned herself living in a grand house, sitting by a grander fireplace on an elegant chair. But reality soon knocked at her door. The pot was too heavy for her to carry home by herself. Not one to give up, Anna showed her resourcefulness. She fashioned a makeshift slide using wooden planks and tied a sturdy cloth around the pot. With great determination, she began dragging. However, as she trudged along, something peculiar began to happen. The gold coins in the pot started to change color. When she paused to catch her breath and peeked inside, the glittering gold had turned to silver. A pang of disappointment gripped her heart. But Anna quickly reminded herself that silver was still valuable. She could still buy a nice little house and a warm fireplace to enjoy. Encouraged by this thought, she continued pulling the pot. Yet, as the journey wore on, the silver coins changed again this time. They turned to iron. Anna stopped, her heart sinking in despair. The dreams she had built so vividly seemed to crumble before her eyes. But then, she took a deep breath and reflected. She realized something profound. She had been happy before finding the pot. She had lived a simple yet fulfilling life, surrounded by the love and support of her neighbors. Her happiness did not depend on gold, silver, or iron. It came from the warmth of human connection and the joy of helping others. Sitting down to rest, Anna made a decision. Instead of lamenting what she had lost, she chose to be grateful for what she already had: cozy little home, delicious meals lovingly brought by her neighbors, and a heart filled with kindness. With a serene smile, she left the pot in the forest and returned to her village. That evening, as Anna sat by her modest fireplace in her old but comfortable chair, she felt a warmth that no amount of gold could provide. She had rediscovered a truth she already knew. True happiness comes from within, not from material wealth. From that day onward, Anna continued living as she always had, spreading love and cheer to everyone she met. Her neighbors cherished her more than ever, and she proved that a content and cheerful heart makes you richer than any treasure ever. True happiness lies in appreciating what you already have and finding joy in every situation. Like Anna, let us learn to cherish the simple pleasures and the love around us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming and inspiring stories. Until next time, keep shining bright and spreading kindness.